Dal is always one of those things that I cook when I don't have much time, so I'm going to show you how to make my delicious Sabut Masoor Daal. So in a cooking pot, you want to add in your dal and you want to wash this a few times. And then to the dal, you want to add in some water and you're going to add in all of the spices. You're going to mix this up and then you're going to cover and pressure cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. While that's cooking away, you want to peel and crush some garlic and then you're going to set that aside. And then you also want to chop some coriander and set that aside as well. Next, you want to remove the pressure from the cooker, you want to remove the lid, and then this is what your dal will look like. Then once that's cooked, you want to set the dal aside and then we're going to make the tarka. So in a separate frying pan, you're going to add in the oil, butter, green chilies, cumin seeds and the crushed garlic. Mix this up and fry it for a few minutes. And then you're going to pour the tarka straight into the dal that you boiled earlier. And you're going to mix this up and mash some of the dal to give you a nice creamy consistency. Finally, you're going to garnish it with some garam masala and some coriander. Mix this up and then you can serve this with some boiled rice or some garam rotis. And that's how you make my delicious Saabat Masoor Daal. Enjoy!